1 minute. I can see your hair, baby. Ang ganda ng view, oh. I can kiss you all the way. I can stand by you forever. You can take your breath away. Ay, ito mga natin ang Bulacan. You can take your breath away. Kahit tagal babalik ka rin. Ako doon. Doon ang shop. This is a park. This is a park. A park. I'm here in Taiwan. I can see you. I can kiss you all the way. You can take my breath away. Hello guys, I'm here now at Taiwan. I'm here now at Changhua City. I'm here now at Changhua City. I'm here now in Taiwan. Hello guys, I'm here now in Taiwan. I'm here now in Changhua City, and now is my schedule of my medical, and I'm seeking a wow video, okay? Oh my god, so very nice. It's so very nice. It's a very nice. You see that? Hello guys, I'm here now in Taiwan. I'm here now in Taiwan at Changhua City. If you are in my channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down there below, okay? Today is my medical, so that's why I'm go outside, you know. Sana hindi mahulog yung cellphone ko, ha. Manood naman kayo guys. Oh, ito oh, yung napakaganda oh. Napakaganda yung place ng Taiwan oh. Dito ako sa ano. Dito ako nagmi-medical ako dito. Dito diyan sa building na diyan ako nag-medical. Diyan sa may baba at sa taas. At saka dito sa labas merong park. Merong park dito sa labas. Ayan, yung park, ang ganda ng park nila, di ba? Oo, ganda ng park kasi ganda ng mga puno, may mga puno pa. Ganda ng mga puno, tapos may mga palaruan doon, may mga palaruan doon. Meron ding dito. Ayan, tingnan niyo, kita niyo ba? Ang ganda, di ba? Kita niyo ang ganda, di ba? See, ang ganda, you see that? Ang ganda, di ba? Kita niyo ang ganda.